Okay, today we're going to take a look at 5 different ways we can change our password in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's start with Windows 11 and we'll take the easiest approach. We'll go to our Start menu. We can click on Settings, go to Accounts, select Sign In Options. And here you have lots of options for all of the different methods to sign in. We'll select Password. And we'll get an option here to change it. Let's go ahead and do that. It's going to ask for our current password. And then we can put in our new password. Select Next and Finish. And that's that. The second method is going to be hitting Control-Alt-Delete on your keyboard. So let's go ahead and do that now. And here you'll get an option to change a password. So you can change your password. You could also change someone else's password if you desire to. We'll stick with ours. Put in your old password, put in your new password. And go ahead and click on the little arrow to submit. Password has changed. Excellent. Let's go with the third way to change a password in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Both of these methods will be very similar. Let's go ahead and right click on the Start menu, go up to Computer Management, select Local Users and Groups and open up Users. We'll get a list of the local users on the Windows machine. Select the account that you wish to change the password for, right click and select Set Password. This will give you a warning about changing the password and how it may cause irreversible loss of information and so on and so forth, yada yada yada. Click on Proceed, put in the new password. And click OK. And your password for your account is now changed. This method requires a little more privilege. You will need to be an administrator to do this one. The next way to change password is with PowerShell. So just go to your Start menu, type in PowerShell, and open PowerShell as an administrator. So the command for this is going to be get local user -name. We're going to specify the account name, TechWorks. We're going to pipe that into set local user -password. Now here we can either choose to type in the password that you want to change it to, or we can, in my case, read host as a secure string. So this is going to allow us to prompt for the password, and it's going to star out what I type in so that someone else can't see it. Now the danger with this is it doesn't ask you for a password confirmation to type it 2 times, so be very sure that you are going to be typing the password in correctly the first time. So when you hit enter, you won't get any additional prompt. You will just get a cursor. Go ahead and type in your new password and hit enter. And that's it. Your password is now changed. Okay, and the final way that we're going to take a look to change a Windows password is through the Windows command prompt. So let's open up a command prompt by right clicking on our Start menu. In Windows 10, this will probably say command prompt with admin or administrator. In Windows 11, it is Windows Terminal admin. But the commands will be the same, so this one should be pretty straightforward. So the command for this in the command prompt is going to be net user, the user account that we would like to change the password for. In this case, it's going to be the TechWorks user, and then the password that you would like to use. Now, there are some caveats here. If you don't have any special characters in your password, 123ABC, this will work perfectly fine. However, some special characters are not allowed without quotations. So if we use an ampersand sign, this will fail. To get around this, just surround your password with single quotes, and that should work fine. I would suggest using single quotes if you're going to use any special characters at all, or just go ahead and use the single quotes at all times. That makes it easier to remember, get in the habit of it if you're going to be using this method regularly. So the password changed successfully. Let's go ahead and test it, make sure that our password did catch the ampersand sign in the middle, and that is what our password is. So let's lock the machine. We'll type in our password, and we have 123 and ABC. Works perfect. So you'll need to be careful with this command as well, as this will take a password first try, no confirmation needed. And that is 5 ways on how to change your password in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. All of these methods will work. So I hope this has helped you out in getting your password changed in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!